Antimicrobials. You know that they add antimicrobials to a lot of processed foods. It's a food additive. And some of these antimicrobials, the most popular ones include benzoic acid, benzoate, sulfites, and nitrates. Now, benzoates and benzoic acid, what they do is they help to extend shelf life, okay? And the reason why they help to extend shelf life is because of their antimicrobial properties. And it also helps to protect the food from fungi and bacteria. That's why they add these additives into the processed foods, because they're trying to generate more money. And money is more important than your health to a lot of big corporations. See, so we also have nitrates, and these also help to extend shelf life, which isn't natural because every natural food has a day in which it dies, okay, because of the ripening process, because it goes bad, mold, fungi. You know, food doesn't last forever, and so what people do is they'll add additives to help extend that, which really in and of itself is not natural. It's just techniques that we have learned to help extend the life of a food. And, you know, that can be of importance if you're in a famine, if food is not available, because you want to have food around for a long period of time so that you don't starve. But, you know, that's not the case today because we have an abundance of food where we aren't going to have to worry about extending the life of our food. So, nitrites and nitrates, they extend shelf life. They also help to prevent the food from going bad, you know, and also what they do is they help to preserve the color in meats and also in dried fruits. Now, that is a deceiving technique that they do to a lot of these meats, because if they hadn't added the nitrates to the meat would look putrid gray. It would look rotted. It would look disgusting. So what they do in order to make it look fresh and red is they'll add the nitrates in. And nitrates have been linked to causing cancer. Okay, they've been a known carcinogen, which is not good, and it's definitely not something you want to be ingesting into your body. And they also help to protect the food, again, from fungi and bacteria. Now, the third most common additive that they use in food as an antimicrobial is sulfites. And that's usually found in, you know, your dried fruits, your pie fillings, your relishes, things like that. And again, that helps to extend the shelf life as well as protect the food from fungi and bacteria. So yeah, you know, your nitrites are going to be things found in a lot of the processed meats, okay, so like bologna, salami, sausages, hot dogs, bacon, you know, smoked fish. And for your benzoates, you know, that's going to be found in a lot of your soft drinks. You know, beer has it, margarine, and a lot of acidic foods contain the benzoic acid. So these are antimicrobial preservatives, and now you know what to look out for when it comes to purchasing these foods. You know, understand that, you know, preservatives aren't really necessary when you're choosing to eat a whole foods plant-based diet, because for the most part, you know, you're going to be eating that food the same day or the next day. You know, so you're not going to need food sitting around for a very long time. And, you know, understand too that a lot of these preservatives that they add in, as a form of antimicrobials are actually deleterious. You know, they don't add health to the body, but instead they more than likely are taking health away from the body. So, bottom line is, now you know the most common forms of preservatives which have antimicrobial actions.